Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and I'm filming here at home today, and I'm answering a question that I get quite a bit. How much skincare should I really be using? So in this video, we're going to go through an entire routine, and I'm going to be showing you approximately how much skincare you should be squeezing into your hand and applying to your face. I'll be giving you some size references, but I'll also be holding my hand close to the camera so you can kind of get a good idea of how much I'm using. So if you're somebody who's always wondered, like, how much, how little, this video's for you. So first up, to start your routine, you're going to always want to use a cleanser. You have to start your routine with clean skin so that all your skincare can penetrate and do its job. So, from the Inky list, we have the Oat Cleansing Balm. This is a really luxurious balm, and I think it's a great example of how much cleanser to use because it's really viscous. You can see here about a nickel size to a quarter is all you're going to need of this product. You want to make sure that you have enough that when it melts down, it's going to blend and coat throughout the entire face. This particular cleanser is infused with oat, which is really great for kind of encouraging a calming and soothing effect to the skin. So it's really great for helping to relieve the appearance of redness and leaving your skin not feeling dry and tight after you washed your face. It's really great. So next up, I have a really fun at-home peel from Goop. This is the Goop Glow 15% glycolic acid overnight glow peel. Now these are really cool to use because they come in a pre-prescribed sachet, so you don't need to really ask how much you need, it's already built in for you. It's really fun to use. You're going to simply open the packet and remove the little peel pad. These are really cool because they have two sides. You can see here that there's a micro-textured exfoliating side that's really great for getting in there and kind of removing excess dead skin cells. Kind of that instant gratification or physical kind of feel. Then you've got the other side here, which is a little bit softer, but definitely contains more of the juice. So you can kind of bounce back and forth in between the application, between the soft side and the textured side. A lot of people forget that there's actually still more juice and liquid inside. So you can always take your pad and put it right back inside to pick up more product. Or if you don't want to dip the pad back inside, you can literally just take the liquid and pour it right onto the pad. Whenever you're using an exfoliating pad, it's important that you continue to use the pad until it's completely dry. Because then you're utilizing all the product that was put in the sachet for you, which is nice. You want to make sure that you're maximizing your investment, right? And then you can always take a little bit and do the backs of your hands as well. This is a great place that's often forgotten and could benefit from a little bit of exfoliation for sure, because our hands tend to be a little dry. So this product is really easy to incorporate to your routine because you're going to use it about once a week or anytime you feel like your skin is really dull or lackluster and needs to get its glow going. Okay, so next up in treatments is going to be your serum step. So I pulled this one, which is a new brand to Sephora, and this is called Texture Reform. This is from Shani Darden Skincare. Now she's a celebrity facialist based here in Los Angeles, and this product is going to be really great for turning back the clock. So to use this product, I'm going to carefully pump out 1 to 2 pumps. And you can see there we've got about the size of a dime to the size of a nickel. If they tend to get away, like really making sure that you just have what the prescribed dosage is on the product. So then you can split that between your two hands and press that right into the skin. Now this is infused with a retinol complex that's really great for kind of helping increase cell turnover and giving the skin the appearance of more youthful looking skin. And then it's also got a little bit of lactic acid in there, so you're getting an alpha hydroxy acid, which is going to help to softly retexturize. That's why it's called Texture Reform. I'm obsessed with this product, and Shani gives the best facials. Shout out to Shani! Mwah. So next up is the area that I'm personally most concerned about, and that's the eye area. If you've never used one before and you're looking to pick up a new eye cream, I strongly suggest this one here from Biossance because it's infused with plant-derived squalene that's really great for topically hydrating and nourishing the under eye area. It's beautiful. So I want to make sure that I'm getting the product usage spot on. Literally, I want you to think of that. Spots. Anytime you're working under the eye, you can place little dots and that'll give you the perfect amount. But as you're pulling it out of the jar, you may grab a tool to pull out a pea-size amount. That typically tends to be what's great for both eyes. About the size of a pea, a little dollop. So when I go to apply that, I'm going to split that between both eyes. You can split that product between your two ring fingers and literally dot that right onto the orbital bone. It's important that you don't take this product too close, and then you can blend that in. So kind of dot, press where you need it, and then blend it in with your fingers very gently. Applying it with your ring finger actually limits the pressure, so you're not really tugging or pulling at the under eye area. You want to make sure that you're applying this product in the most gentle fashion, right? Because this skin under here is really delicate. So treat it almost like you would like a fine garment. Like really take the time that you need to smooth and iron those wrinkles right out. So last up, I want to finish this nighttime routine with a little bit of moisture. So I'm going to be completing it with the Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer. Now this one's really great because it's infused with droplets of kupuwasu butter. So as you scoop it out, there's little, almost like little golden nuggets of good for you ingredients inside that are going to burst when applied on the skin. Now you want to take about a dime size to a nickel size amount. So you notice I use my little scoop, and so you can see that's about good enough for the whole face. Now again, I'm going to take that, split that between my two hands, and massage that into the skin. I think we're good for today. Now, if this were a daytime routine, you would definitely want to finish up with a little bit of SPF. And I would be remiss if I didn't tell you how much of that to use because it's one of the most important things that you can do for your skin. So for that, I have the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Now, I've talked about this so many times. I'm such a fan. It has to be one of the most universally appealing textures I've ever put on my skin. And it's an SPF. So when you're trying to apply some to the face, about a dime to a nickel is all you're going to need for the full face and décolleté. So you can see I've pumped out the appropriate amount here. Now you'll also notice that the texture of this product is translucent, so it's great for all skin tones and all skin textures. And it's really great for blurring imperfection, the look of pores, fine lines, and basically kind of filters the face and protects it from the sun as well as blue light from all of your electronic devices at home. So for those of you that have been working from home, this is a perfect product to use even if you're not going outside because it's going to protect your skin from all of those, you know, youth zapping electronic waves. I can say that, right? Youth zapping electronic waves. Alright, so that's everything for me here. Hopefully that sort of demystified how much skincare you should be using. If you have any further questions, shout that out in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to Sephora already, be sure to do so. Press the button so you can hang out with us. Until next time, ciao for now.